When my front tooth broke in, like the top part just split off, I was like, okay, that's a front tooth, so now it becomes cosmetic. So now I don't want to smile, I don't want to do anything. I take pictures like this. I didn't want dentures, so because I like to, like I said, I like to travel. I like to eat, I like to go out and eat, and I don't want to eat and my teeth are falling out in the plate. So that was a big concern. I didn't feel like that at this point, midlife, so to speak, I didn't want to have the dentures. So I really invested in the implants. I checked out the office. I was like, it's somewhere local. They do a lot of, I saw children, anybody that handles children can handle me at the dentist. So I did the consultation, and once I did the consultation, everyone was just right on, like, it was like they know me. I felt like I've been here all the time. That one day I came and it was just like everybody was so attentive and so friendly and just made you feel welcome. I was scared. I think I cried a couple of times and they were very patient with me. They fed me. I like to eat, so they fed me. Made me just feel comfortable, and that's more than anything. Uh-oh, sorry. I get emotional. It just feels good. I can't believe I waited this long to do it, but it feels good to know that people do care, and it's not just like being a robot. Okay, let me get this done for you, this done for you. They care. What do you have planned? I mean, they didn't have to ask me that the first day. I thought that was very touching. I'm ready. The entire process is 6 months, so I will be very excited in 6 months. Um, I thought there was no way I can function after, getting this type of procedure done. Literally, the next day, I went to work. I can tell the difference of me even being able to smile and not covering my mouth and, just feeling confident. Just giving me a little bit more confidence.